this video, I will show you how to access ChatGPT Go for free. Follow these quick steps carefully. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your phone or laptop. Step 2. Go to the video description and copy the link I have provided. Paste it into the Chrome address bar and hit enter. Step 3. Make sure you have already logged into your ChatGPT account before doing this. Once you open the link, it will take you directly to the plans and pricing page. Here you can see the Go plan. Please click on the Upgrade to Go plan. You will be directed to the payments detail page. Here it takes your email directly and then click on UPI. Here fill the details such as name, billing address. Here in virtual payment address, please enter your UPI ID and then select this checkbox, and then after click on subscribe. Once you have clicked on subscribe, you will now have received a payment notification from PhonePe. Open PhonePe, click on the notification and then select set auto pay. Complete the payment of 2 rupees as shown. That's it. Your ChatGPT Go plan is now active. You have access to the pro level features. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe for more quick tutorials.